In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your signature in PandaDoc. Whether you're finalizing a business agreement, approving a project document, or signing an important contract, PandaDoc makes it straightforward to integrate your signature digitally. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you can do this quickly and efficiently. First things first, you need to open PandaDoc. This is your main hub for managing all your digital documents. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard displaying all recent activities and documents. If you're new to PandaDoc, don't worry. The interface is user-friendly and you'll quickly get the hang of where everything is. After logging in, the next step is to click on the document where you want to add your signature. It might be an agreement that's awaiting final approval or any document that requires your sign-off. Once you locate the document, click to open it and you'll be directed to the document's content view. Now let's move on to the most crucial stage, heading over to the content section within your document. This is where you can make edits, add text, and of course incorporate your signature. Look for the toolbar usually positioned at the top of the document window. It provides a variety of editing options. This is where you have the tools you need to add specific elements to your document. Next, look for the signature option in the toolbar. Clicking on this will activate the signature feature and allow you to insert your e-signature into the document. The area that you clicked on will transform into a designated signature block where your electronic signature will appear. Now it's time to finalize your action. Simply click on the signature button and it will either show a default signature or prompt you to draw or upload your own. This digital representation of your handwritten signature ensures authenticity and keeps your document secure and legally binding. Finally, to complete this process, you must click on Accept and Sign. This action officially embeds your signature into the document, indicating that you have authorized and approved the content of the document. This step is essential as it confirms your intent and finalizes the signing process. By following these steps, you've successfully added your signature in PandaDoc. This not only saves time, but also adds a layer of convenience and professionalism to your document handling. With PandaDoc, you can now handle documents more efficiently, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to your business or personal needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your e-signature journey.